Good morning, all of you. Your today's topic is Codes of Ethics. Course name is Nursing Foundation. Course code is BSCN 1003, and my name is Pooja Saraswat, Faculty of Calcutta University School of Nursing. You should know these points before starting the topics, that is characteristics of nursing, categories of nursing, various functions of nursing, values of nursing. I have already shared all these topics earlier in PPT. Objectives of the lecture is definition, purposes, uses, functions, International Codes of Nursing Ethics, ICN Codes of Ethics, ICN Code of Professional Conduct for Nurses in India, Codes of Ethics, summary and practice questions. Now, definition. Ethics refer to the moral code of nursing and is based in obligation to service and respect for human life. Next definition is a code of ethics is a set of ethical principles that are accepted by all members of profession. Next is code of ethics is a guideline for performances and standards and personal responsibilities. Purposes for code of ethics is standards for the behavior of nurses and provide general guidance for nursing actions, helps to distinguish between right and wrong, enable a correct decision and protects the right of individuals. Uses of ethics is acknowledge the rightful place of individual in healthcare delivery system, constitutes toward empowerment of individual to become responsible for their health and well-being, contributes to quality care, identifies obligations in practice, research and relationship, inform the individual, family, community and others professions about expectations of nurses. Functions of ethics is to inform the public about the minimum standards of the profession, to provide a sign of the profession's commitment to the public it serves, to outline the major ethical considerations of the profession, to provide general guidelines for professional behavior, to guide the profession in self-regulation. Next is International Codes of Nursing Ethics. That is the ICN Code of Ethics for Nursing is an international code of ethics for nursing was first adopted by the International Council of Nurses, that is ICN, in 1953. It has been revised by and reaffirmed at various times since, most recently with this review and revision completed in 2005. Nurses have four fundamental responsibilities: to promote health, to prevent illness, to restore health, and to alleviate suffering. ICN Codes of Ethics is the ICN Code of Ethics for Nursing has four principles, elements that outline the standard for ethical conduct. First is nurses and people. The nurse's primary professional responsibility is to people requiring nursing care. In providing care, the nurses promotes an environment in which the human rights, values, customs, and spiritual beliefs of the individual, family, and community are respected. The nurse ensures that the individual receives sufficient information on which to base consent for care and related treatment. The nurse holds in confidence personal information and use judgment in sharing this information. Second is nurses and practice. The nurses carries personal responsibilities and accountability for nursing practice and for maintaining competence by continual learning. The nurse maintains a standard of personal health such that the ability to provide care is not compromised. The nurse uses judgment regarding individual competence when accepting and delegating responsibilities. The nurse at all times maintains standards of personal conduct which reflect well on the profession and enhance public confidence. Third ICN Code of Ethics is Nurses and the Profession. The nurses assumes the major role in determining and implementing acceptable standards of clinical nursing practice, management, research, and education. The nurse is active in developing a core of research-based professional knowledge. The nurse, acting through the professional organization, participates in creating and maintaining safe, equitable, social, and economic working conditions in nursing. Fourth is nurses and co-workers. The nurses sustains a cooperative relationship with co-workers in nursing and other fields. The nurse take appropriate action to safeguard individuals, families, and communities when their health is endangered by a co-worker or any other person. INC Code of Professional Conduct for Nurses in India. First is professional responsibility and accountability, that is appreciates sense of self-worth and nurtures it, maintains standard of personal conduct reflecting credit upon the profession, carries out responsibilities within the framework of the professional boundaries, is accountable for maintaining practice standards set by the Indian Nursing Council. It is accountable for own decisions and actions, is compensate. Second is nursing practice. Provides care in accordance with set standards of practice, treats all individuals and families with human dignity in providing physical, psychological, emotional, social, and spiritual aspects of care, respect individuals and families in the context of tradition and cultural practice and discouraging harmful practices, present realistic picture truthfully in all situations for facilitating autonomous decision making by individuals and families, promotes participation of individuals and significant other in the care, ensures safe practices, consults, coordinates, collaborates, and follows up appropriately when individuals' care needs exceed the nurse's competence. Third is communication and interpersonal relationships, that establish and maintains effective interpersonal relationship with individuals, families, and communities, upholds the dignity of team members and maintain effective interpersonal relationship with them, appreciates and nurtures professional role of team members, cooperative with other health professionals to meet the needs of the individuals, families, and communities. Fourth is valuing human beings. Takes appropriate action to protect individuals from harmful, unethical practices. Consider relevant facts while taking concise decisions in the best interest of individuals. Encourage and support individuals in their right to speak for themselves on issues affecting their health and welfare. Respects and support choice made by individuals. Now, Code of Ethics. According to American Nurses Association, the nurses provide service with respect for human dignity and the uniqueness of the client, unrestricted by consideration of social or economic status, personal attributes of the nature of health problems. Second is the nurse safeguards the client's right to privacy by judicially protecting information of a confidential nature. Third is the nurse assumes responsibility and accountability for individual nursing judgment and actions. Fourth is the nurse maintains competence in nursing. In summarized way, we can say that in 1950, the American Nurses Association, that is ANA, created the first code of ethics for nurses with interpretive statements known commonly as the Nursing Code of Ethics in order to help nurses successfully navigate a variety of healthcare scenarios. Think of it as a document that formalizes the behavior accepted for nurses when facing an ethical or moral dilemma. Nurses can refer to the code to guide their on-the-job decision-making processes. These are the practice questions which is arise from the lecture is what do you mean by ethics of nursing? Second is describe international codes of nursing ethics. Third is explain functions of ethics. Fourth is define ICN Codes of Ethics, that is International Code of Nursing. Fifth is describe purposes of ethics. These all about the ethics of nursing or code of ethics.